am Parth Verma and we are from Rotaract Club of St. Xavier's College, Ranchi.
Today on Immunization Day, we are here to talk about COVID and the vaccine. What are the side effects? Should you use them? Should you not use them?
We are gonna answer all your doubts and bust some related myths. So let's start with the people who have already taken the vaccine.
Greetings everyone, my name is Sakshi Singh, member of Rotaract Club St. Xavier's Ranchi. I'll be interacting with two people regarding their experience after the vaccination of Covishield. हम आपसे यह जानना चाहते हैं कि वैक्सीन लगवाने से पहले आपको किस बात का डर था?
वैक्सीन लगवाने से पहले लोगों द्वारा यह सुना जा रहा था कि कोरोना होने का डर है। वैक्सीन लगवाने से कोरोना होने का डर है।
वैक्सीन लगवाने से पहले ये सुने थे कि वैक्सीन लगवाने के बाद लंग्स प्रॉब्लम होता है, ब्लड क्लॉट होने का संदेह रहता है।
और अब जब आपने वैक्सीनेशन लगवा लिया है, करा लिया है, तो फिर आपको ऐसा कोई डिफरेंस महसूस हुआ या फिर कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स हुआ आपके साथ?
मैं पहले तो ये बता दूं कि मुझे दो तरह के वैक्सीनेशन थे, जिसमें मुझे कोवैक्सीन कोविशील्ड लगा है। और कोविशील्ड लेने के बाद हमको थोड़ा सा हल्का यहाँ 2-3 दिन तक दर्द रहा था, जहाँ पे पॉइंट था, इंजेक्शन था। और उसके बाद हमको 2-3 दिन तक लेजीनेस रहा, 2 दिन तक लेजीनेस रहा था, थोड़ा सुस्ती रही थी और किसी प्रकार का प्रॉब्लम आज तक नहीं हुआ है। और हम अब कोविशील्ड के दूसरे डोज के इंतजार में।
वैक्सीन लेने के बाद रात में हल्का फीवर हो गया, तीसरे दिन भी फीवर आया, तीसरे दिन से थोड़ा सा ठीक महसूस किया।
Hey everyone, I'm here to tell you more about vaccine. There are two types of vaccine approved by the government to be used in India. Those are Covaxin and Covishield. If we talk about the efficacy rate of both of this, Covaxin has an efficacy rate of 78%, which basically means that if you are vaccinated, you are 78% less likely to contract the virus in comparison to the person who is not vaccinated. And the similar data for the Covishield is 63%. And the more important fact is, it has an efficacy rate of 100% in the case of severe COVID-19 disease, which means that even if you have contracted the virus after the vaccination, there is no chance of you getting to the hospital. So in short, if you want to keep yourself and your family out of this dangerous situation, just get vaccinated. Thank you.
Hello everyone, but just remember, before taking the vaccination of COVID-19, if you are willing and are eligible to donate your blood, please do so, because once you take the vaccine, you will not be able to donate your blood for the next 60 days. And there will be shortage of blood as from 1st of May. The third phase of vaccination will be on by the government of India, and all the persons above the age of 18 will be eligible to take the vaccine. So we urge you to please donate your blood before taking the vaccine, and that will be good. Thank you.
Hello again. So now that you've heard of a couple of experiences, let us burst some myths together. The first myth is that natural immunity is better than acquired immunity, or also known as the vaccine, or that a vaccine can weaken your immune system. The reality is that the vaccine stimulates the immune system to produce an immune response similar to that of a natural infection, and that it does not hamper the immune system in any which ways.
Myth number 2. Vaccination causes the diseases that they are meant to prevent. The reality is that vaccines mimic the disease that they prevent. Sometimes, in the process of producing the antigens, minor swelling or low fever may occur, but not the actual disease.
Myth number 3 is that vaccine can cause infertility. The reality is that there is no such evidence to prove that a vaccine can cause infertility in a man or a woman.
Myth number 4 is one of the most common myths, which is if you have already recovered from COVID-19, you don't need to get vaccinated. The reality is that yes, it is true. After recovering from COVID-19, your body may develop antibodies against reinfection. But as per the experts, it is not sure how long this protection is going to last. So it is in the general interest to get vaccinated.
Now, here comes our last myth. Myth number 5 is that you can ditch your mask, forget about social distancing right after getting vaccinated. Whereas the reality is that masks are still supposed to be worn apart from all the precautionary measures that are being taken, vaccine being one of them.
Now, there are many more myths that are yet to be busted, but this video aims to create a general awareness regarding the vaccination and how everyone eligible should take it without any fear. So, guys, what are you waiting? Go and get vaccinated. Thank you.